Like you're jumping routes some of the time. What was going on there?
I know just Tyler because I've been playing with him for a long time, so I know he'd be looking for how you throw the ball. So I was just ready to make plays tonight. Big time scrimmage for everybody.
Secondary had a pretty good night all around. Talk about your play.
Oh yeah, the secondary. We had a bad day one day. We stepped up today real good. Everybody did their job. That's all we need to do our job, and everything will perfect.
Everybody talks about Banks and Broomfield, but y'all pretty good at the 2 spot there, cornerback, aren't you?
Yeah, we strong in all places, because we 3 seniors that have been playing for a minute, and we got some good experience in the SEC, so we know what happened.
How much do some of those turnovers kind of benefit defensive line getting a lot of pressure today?
They did. Oh yeah, defensive lines are big. We got Autry, Boyd, and they're probably the best 2 I've ever seen. Besides Fletcher. But yeah, besides them, man, they
the last 2 picks you had, did Tyler not see you? It looked like he just
Chris is coming right back.
Yeah, I hid the coverage from him, so when I hid it from him, I had coverage from the cornerback. It'd be easy to make plays.
Josh, Boyd.